Assalamualaikum and hi everybody. So today, I would like to present about our company e-commerce solution for FYP, which name FYPBox. So, our company is led by myself, Muhammad Hakim bin Khairuddin, and the assistant is Nur Aina Sakinah binti Muhammad Haris, digital marketer Syahmi bin Muhammad Azlan, and apps developer Raja Muhammad Azrul Alimi bin Raja Suman. For the problem statement, the problem statement in this problem is lack of visibility to public. In the last semester, OPC students need to do the final year project, FYP. Unfortunately, the information on FYP exhibitions is getting less attention from all OPC residents and the general public. In addition, we find that the production of FYP product is difficult to promote. This is because FYP students do not have a suitable platform to start selling their product. So, our solution for this problem is we would like to develop a mobile application which we name it as FYPBox for FYP students to promote their products and start selling them. Why we choose apps instead of website? Because today's world, smartphones have become one of the most essential things to students and people. Next, what's the uniqueness of these applications? It is first, free access for students that willingly to sell their FYP product. Second, users can view recorded video of students' FYP products which has been presented during the exhibition. And the third uniqueness is students can start running their FYP product via online and users can purchase it directly through the application. And the advantages of using this application is users can easily access all information related to FYP product. User also can communicate with the admin via chat box provided. And user can view the list of latest FYP product with its price. And this is customer traction, which is 32% of it involve sales, 55% marketing, and 13% of branding. So, for the conclusion, this application can help students to promote all their FYP products to the public and provide the dissemination of information about their products. We hope that the existence of this application will bring more advantages to students and general public. So, this is our FYPBox application interface, which have a box to fill their username, email, password. And the third interface is about list of product, video presentation, and also contact participants. And the fourth interface is about how the product will be shown in the application and how customers can contact those participants to directly buy their FYP products. That's all from us. Thank you.